in our letter it says to put in HTTPS, and the website that is on there is for PowerSchool. And then we have to make sure that we're going to the GovWentworth page, k12.nh.us / and it says public. And then I'm going to push enter, bringing us to the page. So here we are to student and parent sign in, create an account. You put your information, so this is parents, email, desired username, and then to link the account, you're going to put the student's name, the access ID, access password that we were just putting in, and choose relationship. And then if you had more than one child, you can do more than one child at a time. And then you get to the bottom and you push enter. So I already have an account, so I'm going to open my account. I have 4 students, so see if you look up in this corner, it shows you all 4 of my students. So what I'm gonna do every day, I'll go to Eva because she's the one in the elementary school. So this is what the elementary school one looks like. So I go in and it says right here at the top, submit student assessment. So every day I'm gonna have to go in here. This is gonna pop up. I'm gonna type in, I'm just making this up for now, I'm not gonna submit it. 98.6 is her temperature. Does she have any fevers or chills? No. Cough? No. Difficulty breathing? No. Fatigue? No. Muscle or body aches? No. You can read all of these. And so then you would push submit, and that would be what you need to do every day. And then if you have another student, I'd go across and do that for my next student. So that is how you every day submit your student COVID-19 symptoms or lack of symptoms.